Want to improve your English? Watch this mystery story carefully till the end, because the ending will shock you. The Mystery of Room 13. Rohan worked in a small hotel. The hotel was very old. Many people stayed there every day. There was one room nobody liked. It was room 13. People said strange things happened there. Rohan did not believe the stories. He laughed at them. One rainy night, a guest arrived. He wanted a room. Every room was full. Only room 13 was empty. The guest smiled. "I will take it," he said. Rohan gave him the key. The guest walked upstairs. A few minutes later, the lights flickered. The wind became stronger. A loud noise came from room 13. Rohan became nervous. He took a flashlight. He slowly climbed the stairs. The hallway was silent. Room 13 was at the end. The door was half open. Rohan knocked softly. There was no answer. He pushed the door open. The room was empty. The guest was gone. The window was locked. The bathroom was empty. Suddenly, he heard footsteps. They came from behind him. He turned around quickly. Nobody was there. His flashlight started blinking. The room became freezing cold. A mirror was hanging on the wall. Rohan looked into it. He saw someone standing behind him. He turned again. Nothing was there. His heart was beating fast. Then he noticed a small diary under the bed. He picked it up carefully. The last page had a message. It said, "Leave before midnight." Rohan looked at his watch. It was 11:58 p.m. Suddenly, the door slammed shut. The lights went out. Someone whispered his name. Rohan. He ran toward the door. It opened by itself. He rushed downstairs. The hotel manager was waiting. Rohan told him everything. The manager looked worried. He said, 20 years ago, a guest disappeared from room 13. No one ever found him. The next morning, Rohan returned to the room. The diary had disappeared. The room looked completely normal. But one thing was different. A new message was written on the mirror. It said, "See you again, ghost."